Don't tell me that in this 2024 you still don't know what to make your hair to grow, like you don't know what to use. Really? You must be joking, right? Well, hi besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Norma here. If it's your first time coming across this channel, please do not make it your last, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. So on today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys this amazing and very effective ingredient to grow your hair in 2024. So to do this, we have our aloe vera, and yes guys, whenever you want to make use of your aloe vera, make sure to wash it very well to avoid any itchy scalp. Okay, so what I do, you know that yellow stuff, I don't know what it's called, just like this stuff that is here. So whenever you pluck your aloe vera, make sure to soak it in a water for some minutes to make sure that everything is well washed. I didn't show that part. I forgot, my bad, but I'll try and show you guys next time. So I have washed my aloe vera very well, so I'm going to chop it into cubes. And after chopping it, I will go ahead and add it into a jar. And yeah, you guys are going to see the rest. Keep watching. So our next ingredient is fenugreek, and last ingredient is clove. You all know that I can never do without clove. There is no way. Clove is my best friend, of course. So after adding everything, I went ahead and add a well boiled hot water. So I'm going to be leaving it for some hours so that the whole ingredient will be well infused and of course good to use as well. So after 2 hours plus, this is what our, did I say our, yeah, this is what our mixture looks like. So I am straining it out. Of course, we have to use it, right? Yep. So your color, and when you are preparing yours, the color should look exactly like this. Okay, you can see that everything is well infused. And of course, I'll be keeping the remaining one because I'm going to blend it for my hair. I'm going to be using it for protein treatment. Guys, you all know that clove is when it comes to hair growth journey, clove stimulates a lot of hair growth, and fenugreek also, did I say fenugreek? Fenugreek also helps to grow a healthy and a thicker hair. Aloe vera, wow, guys, the main baba of all of them all. So guys, all you have to do is to spray this mixture into your scalp very well. Make sure that they are all getting into your scalp very well, okay? And also, if you are trying to grow your natural hair healthy and longer this 2024, please do make use of these three things or make them your bestie. Trust me, you are going to love it because aloe vera is very, very good in terms of promoting hair growth and a scalp. Did I say a scalp? And a healthy scalp. Guys, this voiceover is not voicing. Okay. Aloe vera is a powerful wound healing properties, also help treat and improve any irritation, itchiness, or dry patches that may appear on the scalp, helping to maintain a healthy foundation that promotes healthy growth. Fenugreek promotes hair growth. They also provide hydration to the scalp, preventing flakiness and itching, prevent hair loss. Fenugreek seed contain hormone regulating compound that may help in preventing hair loss caused by hormonal imbalance. Clove stimulates hair growth. It also prevents hair loss. Clove contain high level of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. It can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually the main cause of weak and thin hair. Clove also contain anti-inflammatory agent, which helps to thicken the hair. Yeah, I think that would be all for this video, guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Please watch my video to the end this year, okay? Get me to 4,000 watch hour. Okay, guys. Yeah. Bye and thank you again for watching.